in How to Make Something Season. I'm Kevin.
I'm I'm SMA Yadika.
We are the team of How to Make Something. This video is our first video and we are going to give you a tutorial how to cook a spaghetti aglio olio with smoked beef. But before we go into the step, we have to prepare the ingredients. The ingredients are
spaghetti, smoked beef, water, garlic, oil, and for the seasoning is pepper powder, salt, chili powder, and oregano. Okay, the ingredients is ready and let's start the step.
First step, pour the oil into the water. And then add some salt, a little bit of salt.
and boiling the spaghetti with that water until it cooks.
Now the spaghetti is already cooked.
Look at this, guys!
Look at it.
Woo!
The spaghetti is already drained. Now it's time for the second step. The second step is stir fry. First, we need enough oil. Stop. And then garlic. We stir it. And then we add a little bit more garlic. This? Yes. Good. Wait. Until it's fragrant. Yeah. Now we can smell the fragrant. After fragrant, we add some smoked beef. Now more. Okay. No. Stir fry again. Okay. Until the smoked beef is brown. When the smoked beef is already brown, we add some spaghetti. Smells so good, right? Yeah. The fragrance is very good. Then followed by peppers.
Black pepper,
Yeah.
salt,
Salt. More salt. More. 3 pinch of salt. Then chili powder.
more please.
The spaghetti is already mixed well. And then we need to add some oregano. This much? Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Mix well the spaghetti. Repeat the process until the spaghetti is done. Right. Now you can smell the spaghetti, the fragrance. It's so good.
Good.
Oh yeah, for the seasoning, it's according to the taste. The spaghetti aglio olio is done! Now it's time for the plating, and of course we need plate for the plating. Now, what you need to do is make it beautiful. Yeah, and put all the spaghetti on a plate. Okay, add a little bit of the topping, beef, and you're done. Plating is done and time to eat.
Now we want to invite the leader of Osis. Please welcome
Mengenai. Hi guys, please try our spaghetti aglio olio. How is it?
Oh my god, it's so good guys. You must try it on your home. Give applause for us.
Yay!